Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm by my nice cozy fireplace here. Don't use the heat. I don't have the sound on, but what I do have is something new, two items that I want to try. Do some videos with this in the background. I have a Japanese floor table that I don't think any assembly is required, and it's pretty lightweight. Seems to be solid. It's not a veneer. Yeah, this seems, I don't know how sturdy it is, but I thought I'd do some projects. It has these, okay, that's how, it has these slats here that put pressure on the legs, and I guess you just unfold this and it falls in and goes against these legs that have hinges on them. So that's, wow, and that's, I don't know if you're supposed to push these back. That's pretty solid. And there's your table. It's got a nice varnish on it, I guess. I got this nice darker color. And I have a tatami chair, like a floor chair. So let's look at this one. No assembly required, I don't think. Seems to match. These aren't related, two separate vendors, I believe, when I ordered these. And this just, whoa, almost dropped that. It slipped out of my hands. So, yeah. How could I do this? I could do it like this, sideways. And you just sit on the floor. Legs through that. Oh, that's nice back support there. Could have a nice meal here. Yeah. Can't scoot over. The only difficult part is getting up. So, yeah, I thought I'd give this a try. See if it's a good idea or not. Yeah, you can see the fireplace there. I'll just figure out what the best angle is on this. And could do some painting or drawing or reading on this table. Maybe get another one. Do some cooking on it. Yeah, so just real quick video. This is a tatami floor or a tatami chair. And I guess this is a sort of a common cultural item, of course, in Japan. I was surprised that the chair actually really good back support. And this is solid. I think this is oak. It's not pine. You can look at the grain here. So, yeah. Good or bad, let's see. Just wanted to show you real quick. Floor table and tatami chair. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in something like this, check it out. I got it on Amazon. And these, yeah, it's light enough. Really simple design. And you just pick up this slat and this back up. Fold these back down. And you can see the shine there on that. And put it out of the way. Maybe use it as a crutch to get back up. So if you found this video interesting, feel free to like, subscribe, and or comment. Yeah, I'm going to practice some cursive writing, and thought that would be a good backdrop. It's one thing having the fireplace, but if you can't get it in the shot, like so, I have to scoot this forward a little bit. Because of the angle of the fireplace, I can't put the rug evenly in the room, or I have to position this. So, thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.